Hello guys. So, you see AI content all over the internet, and you wish you could create such content as well. So you go to the ComfyUI GitHub page, download the repo to your desktop, and try to open ComfyUI, but you end up with error codes. You search the internet for solutions and spend hours trying to solve it. I know this is really frustrating, so here comes the real solution. Floyo AI is a platform where you don't have to deal with the headache of installing ComfyUI. ComfyUI is pre-installed here. You can find a workflow and run it. It's that simple. You can build your own workflow or import one. So why Floyo AI? Most of the AI platforms work on a credit-based system, but in Floyo AI you get rendering time directly instead of credits. So you don't have to do the math at how many credits will be deducted for the rendering. You will get 20 minutes of free rendering time daily. You can create your own workflow here. Lots of models and nodes are already installed in this platform. If you need any specific models or nodes for your workflow, you can request them. They will install them on the platform. Of course, your request will be prioritized if you hold a paid subscription. You can import a workflow you already have. It will go through a verification process to determine if it needs any specific models or nodes that are missing. Let's open the workflow. Looks like all the nodes used in this workflow are already installed here. We have to recheck if the required models also exist. Let's load an image. I will go with the default prompt as it is written. Let's run it. It took almost 1 minute for the first time I ran it. Time will decrease for the later creations. See that 1 minute has been deducted. Once you publish your workflow, they will appear on your creator page. Let's run another existing workflow. You can see how easy it is. If you subscribe to their Explorer plan using my promo code, you will get 30 days of free trial. During the trial period, you will get full platform access, including all models, all nodes, and their cloud GPU. Don't worry, you won't be charged until your trial period ends. You can get the promo code in my video description. So enjoy your AI content creation. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our next videos. Like, comment your thoughts, and share this video with your near ones.